Okay, in today's video we're going to go over one of the setups that I put out late in the session today, and it was in NFLX, and I'm going to show you how I found it, and I'm also going to show you an example of a trigger. Okay, now one of the things I saw on the 30-minute chart of NFLX is that the pattern was still a general pattern of lower lows and lower highs. So if you're going to set up a trend setup on this time frame, that we'd have to look at a short. Okay, so one of the things that we did was I ran 100% of this prior low to high swing from the new low. Okay, and this swing was $19.81, and this swing so far was $19.21, so kind of similar. Now what else is similar? This rally swing was 10 trading bars, and this rally swing was 11 trading bars, which is very similar. What else did I see? I saw a zigzag or two-step pattern here for a possible short. So I'll show you where that came from. You take 100% of the first swing up, project it from this low here. You run the retracement of the prior swing. There's a 618 retracement that was a little bit above this area. And then I run the extension of this zigzag here, and then there's a 1618 extension of this high to low swing, right? So that gave us a setup with time and price resistance. Okay, the timing is just the time symmetry, and you know, the price work is this cluster at the 319.91 to 322.89 area. So I did put an alert out on that. And I also want to give you an example of, you know, how you can trade it. So if you're going to look at one of my setups on a 30-minute chart and you want to use it for day trade, a 1-minute chart or a 233 tick chart would be good for a trigger. Okay, so here you are trading straight ass up into the resistance, right? And everyone's all excited about, you know, the market doing well today versus yesterday, but guess what? Here on a 1-minute chart, here's the moving average crossover, the 8 below the 34, and then also in the process you took out a prior swing low. So there was your sell trigger, and at that point your risk definition could be either above this high or above the cluster, okay, which was the 322 area. And look at what happened after the close. So that's kind of what you want to see. Now, whether it's going to be there tomorrow like that, if you're going to have a chance to get out, if you took this via, you know, options, I don't know. But it's a really good example of a setup and a trigger. And that's how you make money with my work, okay? I will see you guys tomorrow.